Hey guys, welcome back to the channel One Two Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset password of Twitch account. So it's very simple. First of all, you just have to go to any browser you want. So I'm going to Chrome here. So now you need to search for Twitch. And you have to click on the first link that comes in front of you. Just click on this, and this is the interface that comes when you open the link. And now go to login. So now to reset your password, you just have to click on this trouble login in. And here you need to put your number or email. So I'm going to put my email. So the email or number should be just linked to the Twitch account, and just press on the continue. So here you need to write your username of the Twitch account and click on the send my password reset link. So here it says check your email. So it says that they will just send a reset link to your Gmail, and just click on the done. So now go to Gmail here, and so here is the link, and press on the reset your password. So here you can press new password here. So now you have to go to login and press your username here to get login, and press on the login button. So here they'll send me 6-digit code in my Gmail account. So go to your Gmail and refresh it. So here the verification code is 714057. 714057, and just press. Yeah. So here I'm logged into my Twitch account. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.